What's up, Pyros? We're back with the Shark Attack series. Shark Tail. Raccoon fireworks coming at you. Another peek at it right there. Look at the performance. Peach with green plum, sea blue with red plum, and green with gold plum. Again, this is a 9-shot, 500-grammer, straight up, very loud, and 30 seconds. Again, coming at you from the Raccoon Fireworks Shark Attack series. This one is Shark Tail. Let's check it out. So you guys think, thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the comments down below.
Wait.
Shark series.
Wow. Okay. Okay, Raccoon. Oh, that's nice red lace. Oh, ho, 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 ho. That's nice. I like that. I like...
Raccoon's not legit. There ain't no way to help.